Today we have discussed the box matrix. What is box matrix? Is the maximum of mod of x1 minus x2 comma y1 minus y2. How it is known that this is a box matrix? Because of we have no we have to know that this is R2 cross R2 to R. It is for product of two dimensional spaces into one dimension. If you have this type of box topology, box means x-axis and y-axis, right? The product of x-axis and y-axis, if you take this, it gives you in a single line, then it is called a box. It is, if this type of things are defined, then it is called a box matrix, right? And it is defined only by maximum, taking maximum of this. Okay, now we have to prove that it is matrix or not. So for matrix, for proving matrix, it is firstly non-negativity, second is symmetry, and third is transitivity. What is non-negativity? If mod of x1 minus x2, it is always positive. Mod of y1 minus y2 is always positive because of absolute value functions. Maximum, taking maximum of these, because it is larger than or equals to 0 as well. Maximum is always larger and equals to 0, so it is non-negative. But for if you have this matrix equals to 0, if and only if mod of x1 minus x2 is equals to 0, that is true, and my y1 minus y2 is equals to 0. If you take x1 minus mod of x1 minus x2 is equals to 0 after removing mod, which gives you x1 is equals to x2 and y2 is equals to y1 is equals to y2, right? So this proves that non-negative function. Now for symmetricness, we have to take mod of x1 minus x2 is equals to x2 minus x1. Mod of y1 minus y2 is equals to mod of y2 minus y1. After taking maximum, there is no difference, so this gives you this d1 of x comma y is equals to d1 of y comma x. This gives you symmetric property. What is the transitivity property? x1 x2 x3 x1 x y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. For transitivity, there we have to find out 3 x y z. We have 3 points, right? So first we have to take first we implies mod of x1 minus x2, which is less than equals to, after taking x3 plus minus, it gives you triangle inequality, and for y1 y2 is also implies. So after taking this, taking maximum of these numbers, which gives you triangle inequality. So this proves that this space makes box matrix, right?